We are going to be cooking up some of my favorite TLC treats today. I hope that you will go ahead and check the link in the description below to get those recipe cards and cook along with me. Make sure you have an adult present just because some of these recipes are using the oven and I want to make sure that we're all staying safe. Now I'm sure you can guess this first recipe. It is an all-time camp favorite. It happens on the first and last night of camp every single year. It's our little first meal tradition. We are doing s'mores bars. First off, we do need to gather up all of our ingredients. We need sugar cookie dough. This can either be homemade or store-bought. Mini marshmallows, chocolate chips, graham crackers to be turned into graham cracker crumbs, a little bit of butter or oil to grease your pan, and a chocolate bar. We are going to go ahead and start off by scooping some of our sugar cookie dough into our pan. You're just going to smooth this out until you have a nice even layer on the bottom. Once you have this all smoothed out with your spoon, we can move on to the next step. We will then take our half cup of chocolate chips and sprinkle that in. And then we will be using 2 cups of these marshmallows, mini marshmallows. Go ahead and pour your first cup, and we'll just sprinkle that on as well. And then we'll get our second cup all ready to go. And if you want, you can smooth these out, just making sure they're all even. If you really like marshmallows, you can go ahead and add another cup. That's perfectly fine. What I'm going to do, which is a little bit different than camp, is take these graham cracker crumbs that I made from a packet of graham crackers. I put them in a Ziploc bag and used a rolling pin to crush them until they were in a fine crumb. I'm going to sprinkle that on top of my mix. So that I get a nice little even coating there. And then I'm going to take my chocolate bar and break that in half. I'm going to just use the pieces to stick in. To get some nice gooey chocolate. Alright, now we are ready for baking. I did set my oven to 350 and we're going to bake this for about 10 minutes or until the marshmallows are all toasty and that cookie dough is cooked. Now it has been about 10 minutes. You can see the marshmallows have started to puff up a little bit, but they are not yet golden brown. And I can tell that my cookie dough is still a little bit raw. So what we're gonna do is leave it in for another 5 minutes and keep checking. As you can see, our marshmallows have started to brown. I did end up checking on it again and it ended up needing another 5 minutes, so it's been in the oven for a total of 20 minutes now. So what we're going to do is go ahead and remove that and let it cool. Once your s'mores bars are all done and they are cooled off like mine are, you can go ahead and cut into them and enjoy a treat. Cheers!